Ferrari.
So was there a second?
There was a second before, yes. Mr. Chairman, I have an issue with the precedent that this is setting to whether this is really an emergency and not coming from a member comment. And I believe a member has a right to ask the chair with the consensus of the group to send a letter to someone. And I think we should limit that to the first item on extending the period from 45 to 90 days. The rest of this, to me, is not a crisis. It should be disseminated. It should be studied before we start passing motions. And if we're going to start passing motions that every member can come up and bring up an item at every month's meeting, we'll never get through our business. Unless it's a dire emergency, which I don't think this is, other than maybe the comment period, which we don't even know when it starts. But I would say Commissioner Solari would have the option, or anyone would have the option to say, there's an important issue out there. The comment period, we need to work on. Can we have everybody agree to have the chair, on behalf of us, send a letter to the governor? I don't think that takes a formal motion. I don't think it violates our policy. And when we start doing this, I think we're going to get the whim of every member and every local issue or some outside group. And I don't know how we can efficiently run a meeting and stick to our agenda. So I would think that if the commissioner would just ask for the first item and say, this is the rest of the information, ready to take it, write their own letter, or let's consider it next month, I would be happy with that.
Well, I'd certainly share your concerns about the efficiency of our meetings. We're pretty far down this path at this point in terms of the direction we're going. It's my recommendation we just take a vote.
Well, my concern on the vote is we're setting a precedent so we can now do this at every meeting.
I think that could be true, but like the timing of the speakers and the seating the comments, we may need to clarify what our policy will be for the future.
Was that an amendment that was proposed? Okay.
I could propose it as an amendment that...
You want to make it as an amended motion?
I don't want to make another motion because I don't think we want to have a motion. I would just say that my recommendation is to withdraw the motion, have Commissioner Solari ask for the first item to be crafted by the chair of the staff on our behalf, sent to the governor on the 45 to 90 days, and then the Commissioner Solari is advising us on the rest of this information. I'd like to have an agenda at the next meeting.
And we actually have two motions at the same time.
There's not...
I don't want to...
Mr. Farr did not make it as a motion. He said he didn't want to make it as a motion. So we're still having one motion that's on the floor at the present time.